Nature Force exercises for a better day. Improve your everyday and health with Nature Force. Subscribe to our channel for 10 easy morning exercises for starting better, healthier days. Watch our videos for free, simple exercises for natural energy regeneration and enjoy the good feeling that will follow you throughout the day. Day 1. Do the following exercise every day when you wake up. Stand in front of your mirror and smile widely 3 times in a row. The first time, smile for happiness. The second time, smile for health. The third time, smile for success. Do this exercise regularly every day. Smiling will slowly but surely improve your mood. The positive change will amaze you. We will introduce you to the second exercise in our next video. Good luck and have a long life.